Are you ready to witness a pinnacle of luxury and innovation on the road? Look no further, car enthusiasts. Introducing the electrifying masterpiece from the renowned German automaker, the Mercedes Maybach S580e. This exceptional car is revolutionizing the world of luxury automobiles, bringing you the future of driving in style. Get ready to experience the ultimate in luxury and style with the Mercedes Maybach S580e. Buckle up for the ride of your life with the latest offering from Mercedes Maybach, the S580e. This ultra-luxury division has gone above and beyond to perfect their first plug-in hybrid production model after stunning us all with the Mercedes Maybach Vision 6 all-electric vehicle 7 years ago. And now, the wait is over. Although the launch of the S580e will be rolled out conservatively, starting in China, then Thailand, and then Europe, Mercedes Maybach is electrifying the ultra-luxury market like never before. With the company's meticulous attention to detail, this new model is guaranteed to exceed all expectations and set a new standard for luxury and innovation. Get ready to experience the future of driving with the slow and steady electrification of the ultra-luxury market, and the Mercedes Maybach S580e leading the charge. Get ready for an electrifying ride with the Mercedes Maybach S580e. This plug-in hybrid is a true masterpiece, boasting a 4-litre V8 engine for pulse-pounding performance and a powerful electric motor for eco-friendly driving. With an incredible 621 horsepower and 750 pound-feet of torque at your command, you'll experience rapid acceleration and effortless power delivery like never before. Plus, the S580e's 28 kWh battery pack gives you an impressive all-electric range of up to 100 kilometers, 62 miles, perfect for those short commutes and city driving. And when the battery runs low, the hybrid powertrain switches seamlessly to the V8 engine, allowing you to travel further with ease. But that's not all. The Mercedes Maybach S580e also comes loaded with the latest safety and infotainment systems, all wrapped up in a luxurious and spacious interior that exudes pure opulence and craftsmanship. So why settle for ordinary when you can experience extraordinary with the Mercedes Maybach S580e? Get ready to be blown away by the interior of the Mercedes Maybach S580e. This luxury machine is a true masterpiece of design and craftsmanship, offering a driving experience that's simply unmatched. From the spacious cabin with ample legroom and headroom to the handcrafted seats upholstered in the finest materials, every detail has been thoughtfully designed to provide maximum comfort and support. And with massage, heating and cooling functions for the front seats, and adjustable backrests and an executive rear seat package for the rear seats, passengers will feel like royalty. But that's just the beginning. The S580e's dashboard boasts a massive 12.8-inch OLED touchscreen display, giving you easy access to the car's state-of-the-art infotainment and navigation systems. Powered by the latest version of MBUX, Mercedes-Benz User Experience software. This system includes a virtual assistant and advanced voice recognition capabilities, making it easier than ever to control every aspect of the car with just your voice. Unlike the boisterous Maybach music of rapper Rick Ross, the S580e offers a serene and silent ride that's sure to leave you feeling refreshed. With its powerful V8 engine, the car provides a whisper-quiet cabin that's quieter than a library, with just 64 decibels of in-cabin noise at 70 miles per hour. But that's not all. The S580e also offers the added bonus of running purely on electricity, making it even more discreet and peaceful. And if you want to enjoy some tunes while you drive, the car's top-of-the-line Burmester 4D surround sound system has got you covered. With 30 high-quality speakers strategically placed throughout the cabin, you'll feel like you're sitting in the front row of a concert. And with up to 1,750 watts of power, this system is one of the most powerful audio systems in any car today. But it's not just about the power. The Burmester 4D surround sound system is also incredibly refined and nuanced, reproducing even the most delicate details in your music. With advanced signal processing algorithms, you'll enjoy a perfectly balanced sound no matter where you're sitting in the car. And with the 4D sound mode, you'll feel like you're right in the middle of the music, thanks to the system's ability to capture ambient noise in the cabin and create a more natural and lifelike sound. So buckle up and get ready for a luxurious ride with the Mercedes Maybach S580e. This hybrid beauty boasts a top speed of just under 87 miles per hour on battery power and can run up to 62 miles on a single charge, ensuring an exhilarating driving experience when you want to hit the highway in style. But that's not all. The S580e is designed for comfort and luxury, with a smooth and refined ride quality that's sure to leave you feeling pampered. With its advanced hybrid powertrain, the S580e delivers exceptional performance and efficiency, making it the perfect choice for eco-conscious drivers who don't want to compromise on luxury. Well, for people who can afford a Maybach S580e, fuel is not a concern. They can obviously afford to fill up a private jet. For the discerning Mercedes Maybach customer, luxury and performance are likely top priorities. But in this day and age, environmental considerations are also becoming increasingly important. The S580e delivers on both fronts, offering impressive fuel efficiency and low emissions that are sure to impress even the most eco-conscious buyers. Although fuel economy may not be the primary concern of the Maybach customer, who might be used to filling up their private jet, the S580e is designed to tread lightly and is a perfect fit for low-emission urban areas such as London's ultra-low-emission zone, ULEZ. With its advanced hybrid powertrain and low CO2 emissions, the S580e is a great choice for those who want to enjoy the ultimate in luxury and performance without sacrificing their commitment to the environment. Initially, it was offered in China, one of Maybach's strongest markets, where it delivered 1,100 cars per month there in 2022, followed by Thailand, Europe, and other markets, according to an official. The limited launch of the S580e only adds to its exclusivity and allure, as luxury car enthusiasts eagerly await its arrival in their local markets. By starting with a select few countries, Mercedes Maybach can ensure that the vehicle meets local emissions standards and other regulatory requirements, while also gauging customer interest and demand. This strategy allows the company to fine-tune the vehicle's performance and features, ensuring that it lives up to the high standards set by the Maybach brand. As production ramps up and more customers get their hands on this exciting new vehicle, we can expect to see the S580e make a big impact on the global automotive market. In short, the Mercedes Maybach S580e is a true masterpiece of engineering, blending cutting-edge technology with exquisite luxury to create a vehicle that is both exhilarating and eco-friendly. From its advanced powertrain to its sumptuous interior, this vehicle is a true work of art that is sure to turn heads and leave a lasting impression. With its limited launch in select countries, the S580e is sure to be a rare and coveted gem, and we can't wait to see what the future holds for this stunning vehicle. So, if you're a true luxury car enthusiast who values style, performance, and sustainability, the Mercedes Maybach S580e is the car for you. If you're a true car enthusiast who loves all things automotive, be sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications for our channel so you never miss a video. And if you've already watched our video on the Mercedes Maybach S580e, be sure to leave a comment letting us know what you think about this amazing vehicle. We love hearing from our viewers, and we're always looking for new ideas and inspiration. So don't hesitate to share your thoughts and feedback. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.